Opening for fresher manual test engineer and experience lead manual test engineer jobs in Moolya and Conduent. First, software test engineer, fresher manual testing opening. Second, manual engineer, fresher manual testing opening. Third, 3. IT testing engineer, 3, lead manual test engineer. One, software test engineer. Bengaluru, Moolya. Exploratory testing. Functional tester with API. Should have good test idea generation, scenario identification, debugging skills, bug reporting, questioning skills APIs. Mandatory experience in API testing using Postman or Swagger or SOAP UI and web technologies. Understanding of client-server systems, caching and cookies. Mobile app testers. Should have worked on both Android and iOS operating systems. Worked on tools like Charles Proxy, Burp Suite, Android, Xcode, ADB commands, other tools, test idea generation, bug reporting. Should have good communication, good thought process, and a team player. DB testers. Created ETL data warehouse test cases and scenarios based on business requirements. Performed with SSIS, ETL and DTS technology. Project description. The project involved testing various ETL processes and table structures created on the enterprise-level data warehouse. Debugged Oknet's ETL script and prevented the loss of historical financial data. Defined private parameters at its level corresponding detail table /fields managed ETL white /black box testing process testing extracted /transported data files. Ensured data integrity and verified all data modifications and calculations during database migration using ETL tools. To apply this, 2, manual tester. Bengaluru, Conduent Job ID 2023-82723. Job description. Job track description. Reviews the test cases created by test analysts, provide feedback or make changes where necessary. Analyze requirements, coordinate with BA/subject matter experts. Identifies test conditions and or creates test cases. Conducts and/or participates in peer reviews of test cases and test plans. Creates /conditions test data for test execution. Executable /automation tests according to the test plans. Documents test results and report defects. Evaluates test results. Retest, validate and close applicable issue type as appropriate. Validates release notes. Submits daily status report. Identifies reports risks. Coordinates onshore/offshore as needed. Manages day-to-day implementation of GTS test process. All assigned courses pertaining to new technical/domain/learning tasks are accomplished within defined time frame. To apply this, 3, IT testing engineer 3, lead manual test engineer. Bengaluru, Conduent Job ID 2023-79419. Job description. Requires formal education and relevant expertise in testing. Performs technical-based activities. Contributes to and manages projects. Uses deductive reasoning to solve problems and make recommendations. Interfaces with and influences key stakeholders. Leverages previous knowledge and expertise to achieve results. Able to complete work self-guided. College or university required. General profile. Requires knowledge and experience on testing in healthcare domain. Improves products or services leveraging business knowledge and best practices. Solves complex problems and takes a new perspective on existing procedures. Self-starter, requiring minimal guidance. Acts as a resource for colleagues with less experience. Should be involved in test planning and strategy activity. Should extend help to team members in execution and design phase. Review on test cases written by team members. Continuous improvement, help define, improve and test processes and tools. Create test coverage documentation, test execution plans, and metrics reports. Functional knowledge. Requires conceptual expertise of theories, practices, and procedures. Requires high-level knowledge on SQL, ADA compliance test. Healthcare domain experience required. Leadership. Acts as a resource for colleagues with less experience. May guide small projects with manageable risks and resource requirements. Advise and assist QA manager on status, risks and their resolutions as they relate to testing and quality assurance. Work with Scrum teams to complete root cause analysis and corrective action plans to ensure higher quality test coverage throughout the development and UAT development life cycles. Should have lead experience. To apply, visit
like, subscribe, and please hit bell button. Do not forget to share this video. Thank you.